Inadapt na ng Kamara ang House Resolution number 426 na inaatasan ang Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Boards na ibatay sa batas, socio-economic condition at prinsipyo ang wage adjustment. Si Simon Ong sa detalye.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng plenaryo ng Kamara kahapon, bago magwakas ang pagpupulong, inadapt na ang House Resolution number 426 sa pangunguna ni House Assistant Majority Leader at Bulacan 5th District Representative Agatha Paula Agay Cruz.
I move to consider House Resolution number 426 as contained in Committee Report number 13.
Agad itong inaprubahan ng mayorya at walang pagtutol mula sa mga kapwa mambabatas.
Madam Speaker, I move to adopt House Resolution number 426.
There's a motion to adopt House Resolution 426. Those are in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Those are against, say nay. The ayes have it. House Resolution 426 is hereby adopted.
Sa ilalim ng resolusyon, inaatasan ng Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Boards o RTWPB na tiyaking ang wage adjustment ay nakabatay sa batas, umiiral na socio-economic conditions at prinsipyong patas at pagkakapantay-pantay. Matatandaang nagkaroon ng daily salary increase kamakailan ang lahat ng minimum wage earners at household worker sa Ilocos at Western Visayas ayon sa National Wages and Productivity Commission. Ito'y batay sa aumento sa sahod na ginarantiya ng RTWPB para sa mga manggagawa ng dalawang rehiyon. Samantala, itinalaga naman bilang bagong Senior Deputy Speaker si South Cotabato Representative Ferdinand Hernandez. Sa nangyaring plenaryo, pinangunahan ni Deputy Majority Leader at Sorsogon Representative Wowo Fortes ang mosyon na italaga bilang SDS si Representative Hernandez.
Madam Speaker, I move to elect the Honorable Ferdinand Hernandez, representative of the 2nd District of South Cotabato, as Senior Deputy Speaker, vice the Honorable David J.J.C. Suarez.
There is a motion to elect Honorable Ferdinand Hernandez as Senior Deputy Speaker, Vice Honorable David J.J. Suarez. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved.
Pinalitan ni Representative Hernandez si Quezon 2nd District Representative David J.J. Suarez bilang Senior Deputy Speaker, habang muling itinalaga naman bilang Deputy Speaker si Representative Suarez. Mababatid na naging principal author ng 20 House Bill si Hernandez na nakatuon sa mas pinaigting na suporta ng pamahalaan para sa marginalized sectors, kabilang na ang senior citizen, persons with disabilities, persons with mental health issue, health workers, mga teaching and non-teaching personnel, at iba pa. Para sa totoong balita sa Bagong Pilipinas, Simon Ong, Congress News.